In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean and adjust your WHVF24N or your WHVF24P natural gas or propane Napoleon fireplace. This is a wall-mounted fireplace, and it's not meant to have any user-serviceable parts inside, so be careful. And don't blow yourself up. To work on the fireplace, be sure to shut off the gas. When you want to lift off the curved front, just lift it straight up and put it down on a soft surface. When removing the inner glass, remove the top two screws, but do not remove the bottom two screws, just loosen them up. The glass will lift right out. If you take out the bottom two screws all the way, the glass will slip out from the top two screws and fall on the floor and break, and then you'll be making the face. Hi everybody, for my Napoleon ventless fireplace, I used a specialty product for cleaning stoves, grills, and hearths. This is a glass cleaner which is meant for high temperature work. Leaving it on here after spreading it out, and then I'm going to let it dry. I like to use these little magnetic Harbor Freight flashlights to keep things well illuminated while I work inside the fireplace. After you remove the 4 screws in the corners, the diffuser is removed by sliding to the left and then lifting straight out. A can of air is used to blast through the venturi area around the burner hole. This area right in through here, right there, that enables you to adjust the air inlet a little bit. You go up by another 1/16 of an inch or 1.1 millimeters if you're going to go to natural gas. I'm going to adjust that venturi just a little bit, maybe the size of a paper clip, just to see if we can get a more blue flame, because we're getting too much carbon monoxide from this ventless fireplace. After you wipe off the glass, it should be nice and clean and free from the film. This is after the glass cleaner has dried. Using a paper clip, I was able to measure the diameter of the paper clip at 1 millimeter, and then I adjusted the venturi so that it has exactly 1 millimeter of clearance. You have to loosen these 2 screws in order to do it, then tighten them back up and put the diffuser back in service. The inside electrodes are examined for carbon. If you've got a Scotch-Brite, you can give them a wipe. Also, use a vacuum to take off the dust down at the bottom in here, and then you can wipe it out and then perhaps use a little compressed air to clean it. To convert over to electronic ignition, I use a little doorbell switch mounted onto a simple plate. You can see when you press the switch, it generates a single spark for every release. Don't forget to turn off the gas when you do stuff like this. For power, I use a 10,000 volt oil burner transformer hooked to a 9 volt battery. Before reassembling the fireplace, make sure you remove your flashlight, or else it'll get all plastic and stinky. Once you're done with your adjustment, you should have a clean blue flame.